the Galápagos Islands, a volcanic archipelago straddling the equator west of mainland Ecuador. These islands are a geological wonder formed by volcanic activity over millions of years. This remote cluster of islands, bathed in the sun and sculpted by the sea, holds a special place in the natural world. The interplay of land and sea creates a dynamic environment where life thrives in unique ways. It is a place where life has evolved in isolation, creating a living laboratory of evolution. Here, species have adapted to the harsh conditions, leading to an extraordinary array of flora and fauna. The Galápagos Islands are renowned for their unique species, many found nowhere else on Earth. The giant tortoises, blue-footed boobies, and marine iguanas are just a few examples of the island's remarkable biodiversity. These islands offer a glimpse into a world untouched by time, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. The landscapes here are pristine, with sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. The Galápagos are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for their outstanding universal value. This designation helps protect the island's unique ecosystems and ensures their preservation for future generations. Their pristine ecosystems and remarkable biodiversity have captivated explorers, scientists, and nature enthusiasts for centuries. Researchers come here to study evolution in action, while photographers capture the island's natural beauty. From the moment you set foot on these enchanted isles, you're greeted by a sense of wonder and adventure. The islands invite exploration, with trails that lead through diverse habitats and offer stunning vistas. The air is alive with the sounds of seabirds, and the volcanic landscapes stretch out before you like a scene from a prehistoric world. Every corner of the Galápagos tells a story of natural history and the enduring power of life. Among the many iconic inhabitants of the Galápagos, the giant tortoises reign supreme. These ancient reptiles have roamed the islands for millions of years, becoming a symbol of endurance and resilience. These gentle giants, the largest living tortoises on Earth, are a symbol of the island's unique biodiversity. They can weigh up to 900 pounds and measure over 4 feet in length, making them true behemoths of the animal kingdom. With their massive domed shells and leathery skin, they lumber across the volcanic terrain, seemingly untouched by the passage of time. Their slow, deliberate movements are a testament to their unhurried way of life. These magnificent creatures can live for over a century, witnessing the ebb and flow of life on these remote islands. Some individuals have been known to live for more than 150 years, making them some of the longest-lived vertebrates on the planet. Galápagos tortoises are herbivores, their days spent grazing on the sparse vegetation of their volcanic home. They consume a variety of plants, including grasses, leaves, and fruits, which provide them with the necessary nutrients to thrive. They are particularly fond of cacti, their tough skin protecting them from the prickly spines. The moisture-rich cactus pads are a crucial water source, especially during the dry season. These gentle giants are well adapted to their arid environment, able to store water in their bladders for long periods. This adaptation allows them to survive during times of drought when water is scarce. Their slow metabolism and sedentary lifestyle allow them to survive in conditions that would challenge other creatures. By conserving energy and resources, they have mastered the art of survival in one of the most unique ecosystems on Earth. Life for a Galápagos tortoise is a leisurely affair, marked by a slow and steady pace that reflects their ancient heritage. Their days are spent browsing on a variety of vegetation, from lush green leaves to hardy grasses that grow in their unique habitat. Their powerful legs carry them across the rugged volcanic plains, navigating the rocky terrain with a grace that belies their size. They are particularly active in the mornings and late afternoons, when the sun is less intense, allowing them to forage and explore without the harsh midday heat. During the hottest parts of the day, they seek shade under the sparse vegetation or retreat to their burrows, where the temperature is cooler and more bearable. Basking is an essential part of a tortoise's day, a ritual that is crucial for their well-being. They lie on the warm volcanic rocks, absorbing the sun's heat, which helps to regulate their body temperature and aids in digestion. This daily sunbathing session is not just for warmth, it plays a vital role in their overall health, ensuring they remain active and healthy. As the sun begins to set, the tortoises slowly retreat to their burrows, their day coming to a peaceful end, ready to rest and rejuvenate for the next day's activities. Their slow, deliberate movements are a testament to their ancient lineage, a living reminder of a time when giants roamed the earth, embodying the timeless beauty of nature's design. The Galapagos Islands are a testament to the raw power of nature. Born from fire and sculpted by the sea, these volcanic islands are a geological wonder. Towering volcanoes rise from the ocean depths, their slopes adorned with lava flows frozen in time. The islands are still volcanically active, with eruptions shaping and reshaping the landscape. The volcanic origin of the islands is evident everywhere you look. Craters gape open, revealing the fiery heart of the earth. Lava tunnels snake beneath the surface, remnants of ancient eruptions. The volcanic soils, though harsh, support a surprising diversity of life. These islands are a reminder of the constant interplay between creation and destruction that has shaped our planet. Section 5. Life on the Edge: Coastal Adaptations. The Galapagos Islands are not just defined by their volcanic peaks. The coastline, where land meets sea, is a dynamic and challenging environment. Crashing waves, salty spray, and rocky shores create a unique habitat that has driven remarkable adaptations in the local wildlife. Marine iguanas, found only in the Galapagos, are a prime example of this coastal adaptation. These remarkable creatures, descendants of land-dwelling iguanas, have evolved to forage in the sea. Their dark coloration helps them absorb heat quickly after their icy plunges into the Pacific Ocean. Their flattened tails and sharp claws allow them to cling to rocks, resisting the pull of the waves. Section 6. A Sea of Life: Marine Encounters. Beneath the surface of the waves, a vibrant underwater world awaits. The Galapagos Islands are home to a rich diversity of marine life, drawn by the nutrient-rich waters of the Humboldt Current. Schools of fish shimmer in the sunlight while sharks patrol the depths. Playful sea lions dart through the kelp forests, their barks echoing through the water. Green sea turtles glide gracefully, their ancient eyes witnessing the underwater ballet. The Galapagos Islands are a haven for marine life, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. Section 7. Darwin's Inspiration: Evolution in Action. The Galapagos Islands are perhaps best known for their role in shaping the theory of evolution. In 1835, a young Charles Darwin visited the islands during his voyage on the HMS Beagle. He was struck by the unique adaptations of the island's inhabitants, particularly the finches. Darwin observed that the finches on different islands had evolved different beak shapes, each adapted to the specific food sources available on their respective islands. This observation, along with his studies of other Galapagos species, led him to develop his groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection. Section 8. Fragile Paradise Conservation Efforts. Despite their remoteness, the Galapagos Islands are not immune to the threats facing our planet. Invasive species, climate change, and human impact all pose challenges to the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. Recognizing the importance of protecting this natural treasure, the Ecuadorian government has designated the Galapagos Islands as a national park and marine reserve. Strict regulations are in place to limit human impact and control the introduction of invasive species. Section 9. A call to protect our shared responsibility. The Galapagos Islands stand as a powerful reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. It is our shared responsibility to protect this natural wonder for generations to come. By supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable tourism, and raising awareness about the importance of the Galapagos, we can all play a role in preserving this unique ecosystem. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to the preservation of this fragile paradise. From reducing our carbon footprint to supporting organizations dedicated to Galapagos conservation, our actions can make a difference. Section 10. The Galapagos Legacy: Inspiration for Generations. The Galapagos Islands are more than just a collection of islands. They are a source of wonder, inspiration, and hope. They remind us of the power of nature, the interconnectedness of life, and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. May the Galapagos Islands continue to inspire future generations of explorers, scientists and nature enthusiasts. May their story serve as a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in a world facing environmental challenges, there are still places of extraordinary beauty and wonder that deserve our protection.